Good morning. So that's why I really like leaving early, because the traffic, it's amazing. There are no cars on the road. I mean, there are few in the opposite direction, but really that's it. So that's why I like traveling early morning. Not late evening, because late evening it's still, there are many cars. But early morning, it's really good. It's about 3:45 and the road is empty. Amazing. We arrived in Vienna. Why this guy is using the fog lights? But then I realized, I have a theory that they don't even know that it's on, and they don't even know how to turn it off. However, it's really annoying, because it could be quite difficult to see when this car is braking, because the brake light has the same, yeah, look at this, it's the same brightness. And we are crossing the Danube, and we don't see anything of it. It's a bit dark and foggy. Usually I park here because it's not too close to the entrance, and that means less cars gonna be around later. I don't like people. And let's go to work. Just finished work, so heading off to my accommodation. Oh, that was a long day. I woke up at 3 and started work at 7, and now it's 4:30. I'm going to bed early, I think. I mean, usually that happens. Oh, home, sweet home. Okay, I'm getting there. They poured so much gravel here because of the ice, the icy road and that kind of stuff. So, oh no, and somebody is at my place. Where are you? Yes. Oh, exactly. Anyway, I'm gonna go and park at a different spot now. I mean, this is as good as the others, so should be fine. Before we start anything, I have to roll down the window a bit, just a bit. Okay. So you would ask why. I'm gonna show it to you. So we have a diesel heater on the top, on the roof. So now I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna start this diesel heater because I just want to make sure that it's running fine. And I mean, this 8 Celsius, that's because I just took it out from the car. It's not 8, it's minus something. Okay. working. It's really quiet. It's really quiet, and the hot air is just coming in here. As you can see, the bed is not ready yet. Just by hand. It's really, I mean, I can't even feel, because it's that cold. It's saying that it's 1 Celsius, but because of the wind, it feels like minus whatever. So I decided that I'm gonna do the bed a bit later, and now I'm gonna have something cheese roll. It looked really nice in the shop. Anyway, let's see. Okay, so this is a dessert, some kind of chocolate cake. Süßschnitte, okay, but not before the main course. Okay, I got some tuna fish. I really like tuna, but the reason I got it, I had to buy it because I'm gonna have this. This is a salad, a tuna fish salad with olives and that kind of stuff, which is really nice. I think that's gonna be really nice, but I bet that this tuna, what's in it, it's a bit, I mean, I would like to get more. Okay, but before, I'm gonna have a kind of pre-salad. It looks okay. It looks okay. Okay, so salad with tuna, and I also have a roll, and then the chocolate cake, and that's gonna be my dinner. I have my equipment. A spoon. I mean, I don't need spoon now, I think. What I'm gonna need, I also have a knife. But what I'm gonna need is the fork. Where is the fork? Come on! You're hiding! Anyway, I have it. Okay. The battery says it's 13%. It sounds not so good. Anyhow, I'm gonna have this salad. You see, they gave me some kind of, I think that's some kind of dressing, balsamic vinegar, whatever. Looks a bit interesting. There's also some cheese. I think this is a Parmigiano on it. Okay, so let's pour this thing on it, on the salad. Okay, nice smell. Okay, I like it, and I try to put these things, I mean what I won't need, in a small separate bags, because waste bags, because I mean, I'm not sure if I will go to the, I mean, even if I walk to the bin, most of the time it's full, because in this parking lot it's just a mess. So I'm gonna collect. I put some more balsamic vinegar on it. Not too much, just a bit, okay? I haven't found the pumpkin seed oil, because I usually put pumpkin seed oil on it. I love it, but I haven't found it. Anyway, a chili stuff, which makes it chili. Spicy a bit, but I really like it. Okay, the appetizer. Okay, I have to change the battery, I think, in this camera. I'm having my dinner and watching some movies. That's great. And once I have my dinner, I finish my dinner, I'm gonna show you how I make my bed, okay? Mmm. That's so nice. Okay. So, that's a huge can of tuna. And now, just look at this. This is so much. I'm not even sure that I will be able to eat all of those, but I will try to, okay? I'll try my best. I wanted to show you actually how I put my diesel heater on the rooftop, but there's so many people everywhere, so I mean, just crazy how busy is it. This is actually freezing cold now. Okay, so I'm using 2 polyfoams. That's enough. So I'm having these 2 polyfoams, and that's enough because it's not that cold from the bottom. And actually that's it. I'm done. Oh. This is freezing outside. So, I had my dinner. I have my bed. It was so dark, so I just couldn't really show it to you.